Hello, I saw your question where you want to multiply complex numbers. I see they offer special case. I'm just going to do it like general case. So you're multiplying complex numbers. A lot of people are familiar with is full. F stands for first, outer, inner, last. It's just a mnemonic device for remembering how to multiply two binomials or two complex numbers. I'll multiply the first terms, F, and then the outer terms, O, and then the inner terms, I, and the last terms, L. And so if we do that, if I multiply the first terms, that'll be 25I squared. Multiply 5 times 5 and I times I. If you multiply 5 times 5 and I times I, that's 25I squared. If we multiply the outer terms, and I put the radical last, that'll be 5I square root of 2. So multiply outer terms, that'll be plus 5I square root of 2. Multiply inner terms, I just get minus 5I square root of 2. Then we multiply last, be minus square root of 2 times square root of 2. So, you multiply inner, that's here, multiply outer, that's here, multiply, minus times a plus will be a minus. Square root of 2 times square root of 2, square root of 4 or 2. So let's see what we have here. So come down here where you can see it a little better. We have 25I squared. Now these two just drop out because you have plus and minus to the same thing. Then you have minus square root of 4. Now anytime you have I squared, you want to replace that with negative 1. That's just definition. So this will equal 25. We have an I squared, that's negative 1. Then square root of 4 is 2. And so that's negative 25 minus 2, that's negative 27. And so I'm just using the full method here, multiplying first, outer, inner, and last. First was 25I squared, inner and outer are 5I squared root of 2, one's plus and one's minus. Multiply last, that's minus square root of 2 times square root of 2, which is square root of 4, which is 2. And anytime you have I squared, you replace it negative 1. That's just definition. That's negative 25 minus 2. That's negative 27. Hope that helps.